General knowledge is a very important aspect of the human life. If you don't know little about a lot of things going around you or in general things that happen, then you seem to be very stupid. So you really don't make yourself a part of some healthy discussion. As without proper facts and knowledge, you are neither able to contribute your comments and even unable to understand what others speak. Without a proper general knowledge, your socialization factor becomes a little constraint. If you don't have a little knowledge about a lot of things, you won't be able to figure out what it is that you want to be. Decision making very difficult without a proper knowledge, and you have to rely on the advice of the other people. Most people in this COVID period probably wish if there was a government job. Government jobs are like a bulletproof jacket for a family. The government jobs give proper security and safety to the employee and his or her family. To get government job, what do you really want to do? You must attend a competitive examination and pass with a high rank. General English and general knowledge play a great role in getting high rank. So I dedicate this episode to all those who are seeking government job, which will help you to achieve your dreams. To get more information about English and general knowledge, you should subscribe my channel. In this video, I give some information about the presidents of India 1947 to till now. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first president of India who had worked as the president for 2 terms. He was also the president of Constituent Assembly and the chief leader of the Indian independence movement. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was born on 5th September 1888 and this day celebrated as Teachers' Day. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. Dr. Zakir Hussain. He was the third president of India. He became the first Muslim president of India and died at his post. The immediate vice president V.V. Giri was made the acting president. After that, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Muhammad Hidayatullah, became the acting president from 20 July 1969 to 24 August 1969. He was the most famous tabla player in India. Muhammad Hidayatullah was awarded the Padma Bhushan in the field of art by the government of India in 2002. He also brought a revolution of education in India. Under his leadership, National Muslim University Jamia Millia Islamia was established. V.V. Giri. He was the fourth president of India. His full name was Varahagiri Venkatagiri. He became the only person to be elected president as an independent candidate. In 1975, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. He was the fifth president of India. He was the second president who died in the post of the president. B.D. Jagta was made acting president. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He became the sixth president of India. He was the first chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. He was directly elected to the post from Lok Sabha Speaker and became the youngest president who occupied Rashtrapati Bhavan and contested twice for the post of president. Gyani Shail Singh. He was the seventh president of India. He was also the chief minister of Punjab and the minister at the center. He also used pocket veto on the Indian Post Office bill. During his presidency, many incidents took place, such as the Operation Blue Star, the assassination of Indira Gandhi, and the 1984 anti-Sikh revolts. R. Venkataraman. He was the 8th President of India. He had received many honors from different parts of the world. He is a receiver of Tamarapatra for his contribution to India's freedom struggle. Besides this, the Russian government had conferred the Soviet Land Prize for writing the travelogue on former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Kumaraswamy Kamaraj. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was the 9th President of India. He was the 8th Vice President of India before becoming President. From 1952 to 1956, he was the Chief Minister of Bhopal and a Cabinet Minister from 1956 to 1967. The International Bar Association gave them the Living Legend of Law Award to recognition due to the multi-achievements in the legal profession. K.R. Narayanan. He was the 10th President of India. He was the first Dalit President and the first Malayali person to receive the highest office of the country. He was the first President to vote in Lok Sabha elections and addressed the State Assembly. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th President came to known as Missile Man of India. He was the first scientist who took over the post of President and the first President of India who won the most votes. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. She was the 12th President of India and was the Governor of Rajasthan before becoming the President. From 1962 to 1985, she was a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly 5 times and was elected from Amaravati to the Lok Sabha in 1991. Not only this, she is also the first woman President of India. Pranab Mukherjee. He was the 13th President of India, was the Finance Minister in the central government before contesting the presidential election. He was awarded the Best Parliamentary Award in 1997 and a Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor in 2008. Ramnath Kovind. He is an Indian lawyer and politician. He is the 14th and current President of India. He became the President on 25th July 2017. He is the former Governor of Bihar. Thank you for watching this video.